Fine. Anyways, rhodophycy will start with. What is rhodophycy? Yashvi, do you remember anything? As first of all, the name suggests rhodophycy. So what will be its color?
It's red colored algae.
Very good. Presence of due to presence of which pigments?
R phycoerythrin.
I'm not able to listen.
R phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin.
Yes.
R phycoerythrin.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Now where they are found? Which habitat they are found?
Marine, salty areas,
Yes.
marine areas, and warm areas.
Yes. Very good. Okay. And then they are found in this well-lighted region also. Well-lighted means which is not deeper inside the ocean, and also they are found in the deeper region at the depth. Both, मतलब कि depth में भी है और at the lighter region means at the surface of the water also they are found. Okay. Well-lighted region मतलब कि where there is presence of light present. Well-lighted. बहुत अच्छी तरह से वहाँ पे light reflect होती है. Okay. What is red thalai? We have discussed. What is red thalai? Actually, they are pronouncing as thali.
Leafy like structure. Leaf like structure.
Thallus like structure.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thalai. देखिए मैंने नीचे भी लिखा है. Thalai is nothing but well, which is not well differentiated. Okay, into the stems and leaves. Okay. और ये कैसी है? यूनिसेलुलर, मल्टीसेलुलर कैसी है? सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है?
Multicellular.
Yes, very. Multicellular is also obvious they will have a complex body organization. Now, कैसे यहाँ पे फूड स्टोर होता है? क्लोरोफाइसी में कैसा होता था? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ pyrenoids. Remember? Remember or not?
Pyrenoids.
Chlorophyll में
Ma'am, I won't be able to see. Don't worry. Don't scroll up. I have the textbook.
You have a textbook?
Yes, ma'am, I have the textbook.
Okay, good. तो क्लोरोफाइसिन में पायरेनोइड्स में फिर थियोफाइसिन में कैसे स्टोर होता था? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ
Laminarin.
लैमिनिन मैनिटोल. ओके. यहाँ पे कैसे स्टोर होता है? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ
Floridian starch.
बहुत आगे चली गई. Very fast. Okay. Fine. So here the food is stored in the form of Floridian starch. Okay, मतलब कि as the name suggests, starch यहाँ पे store होगा. Okay. फिर दूसरे नाम क्या है? It is saying that Floridian starch is similar to another starches. Which are they? Maltopectin and
Amplopectin and glycagon.
yes. So how the reproduction occurs in this rhodophycy through fragmentation?
Yes, vegetative means through vegetative methods.
Production usually through the formation of spores, which are non-motile. Okay. And these gametes, how they are also non-motile.
Non-motile.
Examples कौन से दिए? कौन से members के examples दिए हैं?
Porphyra and Gracilaria and Giladium. Yes. Persiphonia.
Yes. Now,
hard to even tell, ma'am. How am I going to remember them?
So see, we will discuss all three types: chlorophycy, rhodophycy, and theophycy. We have discussed in detail, but we are revising it in the table. Okay. So what will be the common name for chlorophycy? देखिए name के हिसाब से ही नाम दिया है. The name for chlorophycy?
Green algae.
Yes. For theophycy?
Theophycy, brown algae.
Very good.
It actually range from olive green to shades of brown, so it's not fixed.
Sorry, आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
They actually range from olive green to brown, many shades of brown, so it's not fixed.
Yes. Fine. Rhodophyceae.
Red algae.
वेरी गुड. नाउ मेजर पिगमेंट्स याद रखना है. फिर फूड स्टोरेज कैसा होता है. पहले पिगमेंट्स कौन कौन से हैं इन दिस क्लोरोफाइसी.
In chlorophyceae, they are A and C.
क्लोरोफाइसी.
Chlorophyceae, it is A and B. Sorry, B.
Then rhodophyceae. Sorry, second.
Rhodophyceae. Sorry,
What comes in chlorofyceae?
what?
Chlorofyceae में कौन से pigments है? Which pigments are present?
Chlorophyll A, C, carotenoids, and xanthophylls. Fucoxanthin also.
Very good. Rhodophyceae.
Rhodophyceae, it is R phycoerythrin.
हाँ, आपने अभी बोला था थोड़ी देर पहले. Okay. Now, how food is stored in the chlorofyceae in the form of?
Pyrenoids.
Yes, they have written starch. You can write pyrenoids also because that is only a form of starch. Chlorofyceae, how two forms are there?
Laminarin.
And mannitol. Then rhodophyceae.
Floridian starch.
Yes, very. Now cell wall. Chlorofyceae की cell wall कैसी है? What is it? It is consisting of?
Inner layer of cellulose and outer layer of pectose.
Yes. Okay. Then rhodophyceae कौन सी कैसी है cell wall? What it is consisting of? Cellulose and algin. Then rhodophyceae. तीनों में देखिए cellulose तो आता ही है. You have to remember.
Cellulose, pectin, and polysulfate esters.
Yes. Then flagellar number and position of their insertion. पहले तो flagella कितने होते हैं and where they are inserted. Whether they are inserted at the end as if they are inserted laterally or they are inserted in the middle, like that they are asking. Laterally मतलब के sides. Now, what are the numbers of flagella and chlorofyceae? Numbers होंगे.
2 to 8. They range from 2 to 8 numbers.
कहाँ पे inserted होंगे?
At the apical areas.
Apical means at the tip. Chlorofyceae में कहाँ पे होंगे? How many numbers will be the flagella?
2.
Yes. Where they will be situated?
Lateral side.
Very good. Lateral means at the sides. Apical means at the tip. Okay. Rhodophyceae में flagella है?
नहीं, गायब है. उसमें रोडोफाइसी के सभी एंसेस्टर्स ने उड़ा दिया.
Habitat of chlorophyceae, where they are found?
Fresh water, brackish water, and salt water.
Yes. Biophyceae, where they are found?
Fresh water, salt water, and again brackish water, but they are very rare.
Yes. Brackish water मतलब कि which is not even, which is salty and fresh
Which is
water.
not fresh and which is not salty.
Fresh भी नहीं है. What is rhodophyceae like? Sorry, where they are found?
Fresh water, brackish water, and salt water.
Very good. चलो.
Most of them in salt water actually.
Yes. Now we'll go with bryophytes. What are bryophytes called as?
Mosses.
What are they called as? They are famous for something.
Amphibians, amphibians. Amphibians of the plant kingdom.
Amphibians of plants. Why? Because they live on land, but they require water for reproduction.
Reproduction.
They require some medium for passage of the gametes. So what it includes? It includes mosses and ligopods, which we have discussed in detail. Second point, जैसे मैंने बोला, they are known as amphibians. Where they are found? They are found in wetland where moisture is there. Then anything else?
Shaded regions and bare rocks and soil.
Yes, very good. They are known for plant succession. Plant succession के बारे में मैंने बोला था. What is plant succession? You remember you said, otherwise I'll explain.
No, I don't remember.
Plant succession is nothing but they are replacing the new species of, I mean, old species of plants with a new species which are stable. मतलब कि जो degenerate हो जा रहे हैं, they just remove them off and they just take allow for the new species to have their generation settle there. Okay, जो बहुत टाइम तक stable रह सकती है. They are providing that area for new generation to settle down. Of what? Of plant. Okay, so that is known as plant succession. ये plant नाम दिया है, plant succession. Okay. Now, structure of bryophytes is more differentiated than that of the algae. Differentiated मतलब कि बहुत developed है. It is microscopically more developed and more complex. Okay. It is having again thallus-like appearance, means it's not having stems. Okay. Same thing, it is spread down.
Sorry?
It is not having, it is having a thallus, means it is not having a two roots, two leaves, and two stems. Like that answer.
Yes.
Okay, it is having roots, but it root-like structure which is resembling a root like that. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now, plant body of bryophytes is haploid. Haploid means it is having a
Only one set of chromosomes.
denoted by N. Okay. If it is
Yes.
one, then denoted by 2N. Okay.
Yes.
It is producing gametes, so it is known as gametophyte. Okay. Sporophyte, gametophyte.
Hmm.
Is that clear, no?
Yes.
Okay. यहाँ पे भी its structure is multicellular. Okay, sex organs are multicellular, means having many cells. Male sex organ is called antheridium. Female organ is known as archegonium.
Archegonium.
See, ये diagram मैंने बीच में क्यों रखा, which is not telling us explain. You know that what occurs in gametophyte, what occurs in sporophyte, that also you know. But we are revising. Gametophyte में पहले हम sporophyte करेंगे. Sporophyte में क्या होता है? First of all, sporophyte, what is present is sporangium, which is a
Yes.
structure. इसके अंदर होते हैं spores. Spores come out and develop a. Either spores will develop. कोई plants में क्या होता है कि spores will develop into a new species. किसी में क्या होता है कि spores will develop, it will produce gametes. Okay.
Yes.
Then that gametes will unite, will fuse to form a zygote. So that is known as
Zygote.
gametophytic stage. Gametophytic state always consists of N, that is haploid. Sporophyte consists of always diploid. Diploid means 2N. Okay. Whenever
Yes, ma'am.
last lecture also I said and you wrote in diagram that sporophytic to gametophytic कौन सी type of division होगा?
एक मिनट. Sporophytic to gametophytic.
जब
एक मिनट.
meiosis, जब gametophytic से
हाँ.
that is mitosis. Okay.
Yes.
Now, female sex organ here in bryophytes is archegonium. Okay. वहाँ पे क्या होगा कि the spores will come and fuse to form a zygote. Okay. How they are describing this archegonium? It is a flash shape. Okay. Flash shape जैसा उसका structure है in there, so that easily the spores can come and unite. Okay. Anthrazoids का क्या meaning है? It is male gametes which is coming in antheridium. Okay, so it's nothing but male gametes which are present in antheridium. Okay, they are released into the water. Okay, so water message आएंगे archegonium में, and there they will fuse to form a zygote. Here they are written. They are fusing here with an egg. Egg is present in antheridium, which is a female one. वहाँ पे वो produce करेंगे zygote. Okay, यहाँ पे वो
Yes, ma'am.
reduction division okay, they will produce.
Yes, ma'am.
They will produce a sporophyte. So their spores will be formed and then reduction division will be done. Okay, to produce haploid spores. Okay, haploid spores.
Yes, ma'am.
Then that will be called as gametophyte. क्योंकि हमें याद ही है कि haploid is gametophytic stage. Sporophytic stage. That is described in this diagram. crash shaped archegonial head है, वहाँ से वहाँ से नहीं, एंथीडिया में से स्पोरेंजियम, मतलब कि स्पोरेंजियम में से निकलेंगे स्पोर्स, है वहाँ पे थ्रू वाटर इट विल पास एंड इट विल कम टू द आर्किगोनिया व्हिच इज ग्लास लाइक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फीमेल, वहाँ पे एग के साथ फ्यूज होगा एंड इट विल मेक अ zygote that will develop into new mature plant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yashvi?
Ma'am, may I repeat the process?
Yes, sure.
First of all, the spores will be formed, and then the spores will make the gametes.
Sorry to interrupt, but you have to start with the introduction of the male and female organs. Then you start the process.
Okay, the male organ is the antheridium, and the female organ is the archegonium. The male organ, that is the antheridium, will produce anthrazoids.
Yes.
And they are released into water. Later, they come in contact with archegonium. These anthrazoids fuse with the egg, which is produced in the archegonium, and the zygote is formed. They zygotes now will form a multicellular body, which is a sporophyte, and these will undergo reduction division, meiosis, to produce haploid spores, and these now will germinate into gametophytes.
Yes, the stage is gametophyte and then they will develop into gametophyte. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now bryophytes in general, they are now how they are used in reproduction, how new species is formed, we have discussed. We can say this bryophytes are used, like what is its commercial purpose? They are used for providing food to herbaceous mammals. We have discussed what are herbaceous mammals, birds and animals. What are herbaceous, which are eating only trees, plants for
Yes.
their food. So they are
Herbivores.
They are known as herbaceous.
Herbaceous.
तो वो bryophytes in subcategory species के लिए food provide करते हैं. They are acting as a food for them. Okay, then species of sphagnum moss and they provide a peat. What is peat? Peat is a
Kind of soil.
kind of, yes, it is a behaving like a soil. Its properties like a soil, brown structure, okay, brown deposit you can say, resembling a soil, okay, which are used as a fuel, okay, and they are used. ये भी मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा था. They are used for transportation or transshipment of living material which can hold water. याद है आपको? Why we are transshipping this substances, this materials, these living materials, why we are transshipping?
Yes.
Yeah, why it is used? क्यों हम वो living materials को transship कर रहे हैं, which is having the capacity of holding water for longer period of time?
The peat.
Sorry?
The sphagnum.
An example I'm not asking, Yashvi, I'm asking the reason why we are transshipping this living material, which is having the capacity of holding water longer period of time.
Because I don't know.
Because if we require any plants, हमें कोई भी plants चाहिए, तो उसे living रखना जरूरी है, right? If we are keeping it living, we require two things. One is sunlight, one is water. For that, अगर हमें कोई plants की जरूरत है for commercial purpose, so we have to keep it living, right? So हम sunlight तो transshipment में provide कर सकते हैं, but it should also be having the capacity of holding water. हम उसे जिंदा रख सकते हैं. Because of that, we are transshipping this plants, and this is done by bryophytes. मतलब bryophytes के पास ये capacity है to to hold the water for longer period of time. Okay, और ये इसीलिए ट्रांसशिपमेंट में हेल्पफुल होती है. ओके, पैकिंग मटेरियल मतलब कि पैकिंग मटेरियल
box type.
it helps to finally prepare the living material for transshipment, that is known as packing material. That's as a packing material. Okay, अभी जब mosses और liver worts जो backers के type है classes है, mosses when they are present with the fungus that is known as lichens, this commonly known as lichens, they are the first organisms to colonize. Colonize मतलब
एक separate group में.
मतलब कि to settle the rocks को settle करने में these are the first organisms. Rocks को settle करेंगे तो क्या होगा?
वो डिकम्पोज हो जाएंगे.
Decompose हो जाएंगे. Yes. Decompose होंगे तो what will happen? Why decomposition is necessary of rocks?
Because there is the fungal part, so the decomposition is possible.
That is possible, but why? What is the usefulness of this decomposition?
What?
What is the usefulness of this decomposition?
To make the substrata really rich in nutrients.
See, this soil, when the soil layer is there, वो fertile कब बनता है? When it is like suitable for growing more plants. When the soil is totally consisting of all the constituents for growing the plants. इसके लिए आपको पता है millions of years takes place for this layer of soil to occur, to become fertile. For that, first of all, degradation occurs, if you know that. Degradation, degeneration of the leaves, dead insects, dead species, वो सब एक layer बनाते हैं. Normally, this is involved. So many other useful constituents are present in the soil, or many layers are present in the soil, which is responsible for growing new plants. The decomposition of rocks will also be helpful in making the soil fertile. और दूसरी चीज क्या है कि ये है ना एक ऐसा मैट बनाएगा. Okay, this mosses will make a matty layer on the soil so that soil erosion does not occur. अगर fertile soil है but due to heavy rainfall erosion occurs, then it's of no use. तो ये एक rocks layer भी matty layer बनाएगा, because of that the soil erosion does not take place. What is soil erosion? Yes, that you know, no?
Yes, ma'am. Soil erosion means the washing away of soil through natural or man-made processes.
Okay. Fine. So this were the benefits, this whole sliders of benefits of rheophytes. Okay. Now we'll discuss in detail what are mosses and liverworts in detail. First one we'll discuss is liverworts. Do you remember anything about Gemma cap we had discussed? यशवी, Gemma cap के बारे में याद है कुछ?
They are small buds. They are like small buds.
Yes. They are small bud-like structure. Okay.
Yes.
So this bud-like structure is helpful for what?
Sorry?
This bud-like structure is helpful for what?
For
See, ये bud-like structure and it is not totally protruded. So, ऐसे बाहर नहीं आता कि it is just flatly protruded. It is having the cup-like structure. That is why it is known as Gemma cup. That is for what?
New growth of plants, मतलब new growth of leaves.
ये डायग्राम में कुछ याद आ रहा है? आपने birds बोला, that is right, but it is for what?
New growth of leaves.
Formation of new species. वो कैसे होता है formation of new species? Okay, we will discuss in reproduction. और sexual reproduction से ही ये होता है, that you remember ना, through these comes.
Yes.
Okay, पहले हम discuss करेंगे before that, before reproduction, where this are found, where this liver worts are found.
The most moist, shady,
Yes,
marshy lands and damp soil.
and of streams.
And also,
Okay. Yes. अभी ये इसमें भी thalloid है. What is thalloid? It is not having a two roots and two stems and leaves. Okay. अभी ये मैंने discuss किया था. This thallus is dorsiventral. Dorsiventral means it is anterior posterior. आगे पीछे उसका appearance है. How it is appearing? It is located like dorsiventral. आगे पीछे located है. Okay. आगे से पीछे like that. Continuously oppressed to the substrate. Oppressed means lying flat on the substrate. Substrate is nothing but base. Okay. अभी ये leafy members यहाँ पे है, वो कैसे दिखते हैं? It is having a leaf-like appendages. Leaf-like appendages is nothing but protruding structure. Okay, which is present, and it is present like rows on a stem-like structures. Okay. Asexual reproduction in liverworts takes place by fragmentation of thalli or by the formation of specialized structures known as gemma. Now, how the gemma look like? They are looking like green multicellular sexual birds which develop in a small receptacles known as gemma located on the thalli. ये develop कैसे होता है? In its sporophytic stage, develops fruit, seta, and capsule. If you remember, fruit कहाँ पे? At the base of the stalk. फिर क्या develop होगा? Seta. And what will develop at the end? That is capsule. Capsule में क्या होगा? Spores. Right?
spores. Yes.
So gemma becomes detached from the parent body and germinate to form a new individual. याद आ गया अभी?
Yes.
ये gemma के पास ही ये spores है. That will get detached from the parent body after this sexual reproduction और फिर यहाँ पे वो अपना एक new species बनाएगा. During sexual reproduction, what happens? Male and female sex organs are produced either on the same or different lines. The sporophyte is differentiated, जैसे मैंने बोला, into foot seta and capsule.
Food seta and capsule.
After meiosis, spores are produced within the capsule, which I said you earlier, and they will germinate to form a fixing gametophytes.
Ma'am, अभी भी आस्था नहीं आई.
Sorry?
अभी भी आस्था नहीं आई.
No, she is not coming on here. She has not come only throughout the lecture. Yesterday also she was absent. Anyways, she was present in first lecture.
No, I did not see. I think she was not.
Okay, which was your first lecture?
Chemistry.
Okay, fine. Anyways, we'll continue with mosses. Okay. We have to end at 9:55. 2 minutes are only remaining, so faster. Here in the mosses, which is a predominant stage. Predominant stage is gametophyte. Okay, that also consists of two stages. First stage is protonema. Okay, and another stage is leafy stage. Okay. Protonema में क्या होता है कि which directly develops from the spore. Okay, and which is the second stage, which is a leafy stage, which develops from the secondary protonema as a lateral bud. Okay, so these two stages you have to remember. first stage is photonema stage, from which they are directly developing from the spore. Another
Spore.
stage is secondary stage, they are developing from the protonema. Okay, as a
Protonema
bird. अब क्या होता है कि there is upright slender axis. Okay, upright slender axis बनेगी, which is bearing spirally arranged leaves. Okay, and they are attached to the soil, to which type of structure is rhizoid. So root-like structure होता है ना, that is known as rhizoid, which is multicellular. Okay, this stage bears the sex organs. Okay. Vegetative reproduction कैसे होगा? Of course, through fragmentation. और sexual reproduction कैसे होगा? Sorry, sexual sex organs will be there as repetitive.
Antheridia and Archegonia.
Archegonia होगा, which is present at the apex of the leafy shoot. Fertilization. After fertilization, what will happen? Zygote will develop into sporophyte. Okay, which will consist of fruit, seta, and capsule. Sporophyte and mosses, what it is consisting of? What it will consist? Sporophyte in capsule, sporophytic stage.
Spores.
What will consist of spores? Yes, and that will undergo meiosis. This mosses will have an elaborate mechanism of spore dispersal. Spore dispersal से क्या होगा? Spores disperse हो गए. What will happen? They will make a new species. Examples are Plumeria, Polyphycum, and Sphagnum. Here, this diagram is
Yes, ma'am.
showing this reproduction procedure. ये individual diagrams है mosses और liver. Okay, fine. Yashvi, time is up, so we will end up here. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yashvi, for cooperating.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome. Have a nice day.
Sorry, Yashvi, are telling anything?
No.
Okay.